Innocent civilians are sacrificed. Yes, in Ukraine, but not only. Tens of thousands of Afghani citizens have been forced to flee in search of food and safety, and not a mention of it. Not here, not anywhere. No wall-to-wall TV coverage, no emergency humanitarian response, no special plenaries, not even a mention in this plenary. No Afghani delegations and no statements. My God, they must be wondering what makes their humanitarian crisis so unimportant. Is it the colour of their skin? Is it that they're not white, they're not European, that their problems come from a US gun or a US invasion? And all victims deserve support, and until we get on that page, we have no credibility whatsoever.